You know those weeks where technology feels like it's just moving an inch at a time? Well, this wasn't one of them. This week, the world of AI didn't just take a step, it took a monster leap. OpenAI just released GPT 5.6, and honestly, it's so good it feels like the future just arrived early. We're talking about an AI that doesn't just answer questions anymore, it practically lives in your computer to help you get things done. Let's look at why this is such a huge deal for...
So, OpenAI didn't just release one version. They gave us 3 levels of intelligence, which they call Soul, Terra, and Luna. Think of Soul as the genius level. It's the one you use when you need something incredibly complex done, like building a whole video game from scratch. Terra is the reliable middle child. It's smart, fast, and great for everyday work. And Luna? That's the budget version. It's not the smartest in the room, but it's cheap and fast for simple tasks. The best part is that these new models are way faster and much cheaper than the stuff.
But the real magic is the new ChatGPT super app. OpenAI basically took all their separate tools and smashed them into one place. They have a work mode now that is a total game changer. You can actually give it permission to look at your Gmail, your Slack messages, and your Google Drive. It can build you what they call a daily control tower. It literally tells you, hey, here is what is urgent today, here is what you're waiting on, and here is a project I finished for you while you were sleeping. It's not just a chatbot anymore. It's a personal assistant that actually knows what your life looks like. Of course, everyone else is trying to catch up. Elon Musk's Grok 4.5 is out, and it's surprisingly good at complex computer tasks. Meta, the Facebook people, released something called Muse Spark, which is great at building websites. But here's the controversial part. Meta also released a tool that lets you create an image of anyone, my friend riding a dolphin or a celebrity doing a handstand on a pile of pickles just by typing it. It's fun, but it's also raising a lot of questions about privacy.
What I'm realizing is that we don't have to pick just one AI. I've been using these tools together, using one to plan my projects and another to check for mistakes. It's like having a whole team of experts in your pocket. It's some of the most fun I've had in years because the boring parts of work are just disappearing. But here is the thing that keeps me thinking. We are handing over the keys to our digital lives, our emails, our calendars, and our files to these AI agents so they can help us be more productive. So I want to ask you, are you excited to have a control tower manage your day for you? Or does giving an AI that much access to your private life feel like it's crossing a line? Let me know in the comments. I really want to hear your take on this. If you want to keep up with this fire hose of AI news without feeling overwhelmed, bye-bye.